Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Well, since you're here, I'll share with you my fall decor for 2025. It's all right, stay a while. The orange metallic leaves are from Dollar Tree. I didn't want to remove my greenery, so I added fall garland. I separated some of the fall leaves from a garland and added them to this swag chandelier. I used foil and twine to make pumpkin stems, and I added them to my green topiary balls to make faux pumpkins. I made a pillow cover out of a skirt that I got from the thrift store. That's the center pillow. And the pumpkin that's in the middle, that's the dark color, is made from a shirt from the thrift store. I made the mushroom from items from the Dollar Tree. I removed the lid from the glass container and added some double-sided tape to the top. And I just took one of the bowls and I pressed it down. I centered it and pressed it down, and plain and simple, you have a mushroom. I hope your fall is getting off to a wonderful start. And as always, have a pleasant, purposeful, and a productive day.